This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
How do you describe the term reusable code?
So in the programming language, in the Java or JavaScript, anytime once we do some of the actions over and over, we have two options. One is we can actually write the same code everywhere we need, or another option is we can create a method or we can create a function. On that function, we're actually defining what you're looking for. Once we write this function, we can actually call this function or reference this function any other places we need. Example, so if you actually do anything in any application nowadays, like the sign up, sign in, this functionality are the common for everything. If you like what is called, if you want to delete a product, right? So you need to create the product creation functionality. So if you create a function for the product creation, you can call that function before the product deletion, because before the product deletion, you have to create a function. Even before the product update, you have to call the product creation function. So then after the product creation is done, now you can update the product. After the product update, now you can call the product deletion function. So they are all interconnected, dependent on each other. But in a nutshell, when we build a functionality that need to be used multiple places, we can actually build a function instead of writing the code over and over. That's we call the reusable of the code.